here's how to create a circle here on Figma like this shape that we have in here. So this is actually an ellipse shape. So we just adjusted the values that we have in here. So we make it the same so that it would be equally rounded. But we have another thing also that we could do to create a circle. So here onto the upper part, you'll just need to head onto the shapes that we have in here or the shape tools. So if you click onto the drop down button, you have here the different tools that it offers. So we'll just need to simply click onto ellipse, or you have also in here the shortcut key of O to click onto this ellipse button that we have in here. And as you can see, our mouse pointer changed onto a cross type. So what you'll need to do in here to create a perfect rounded circle is to hold in the shift K of your keyboard and then drag in the circle. And as you can see, it looks like a perfect circle already. So right after doing that, you can change the color of that circle here onto right side. So let's try to change it onto the same color of this one. So let's use this drop tool in here, choose this one out, and let's change the transparency to 50%. So as you can see, we have here this circle in here.